Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to hide posts in Instagram without deleting it. First open Instagram. Now go to your profile. Locate the post you want to hide or hide it from your profile. Long press it. Now tap on archive and it will get hid from your profile. Now if you want to see it, tap on profile again. Now click on these three lines, scroll down and tap on archive, and from here you will find it. And from here, if you want to select stories archive, click on it. If you want post or if you want live, you'll get everything. That's it. Thanks for watching.